Hello everyone, this is Tan Yao Ming. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the unboxing video. I just bought myself a new toy, radio control car. Yeah, this is it. It's a 1/12 radio control car. It's so cheap and unbelievable. Radio control car used to be expensive. All the parts are sold separately, like remote control, batteries, motors, servo, and charger. But everything is in this box for only 189 ringgit. You can see it's how to read this, alloy trapezoidal framework, 4-wheel drive power, sheet metal suspension, 3 kg capacity, the simulation of tire, 2.4G signal, LED front headlights, last 50 minutes, 7.4 volt, Li battery. According to the reseller, this car comes with headlights, signal lights, tail lights by MN model. This is the optional parts: metal connecting rod, metal shock absorber, metal drive shaft. Okay, let's see what's inside. Instruction manual, things by myself later on. Installation method of product, car shell. Maybe I need to fix those things. Here's the remote control. It's so simple and light. It's very detailed. Also, this is the charger. It's so simple. With USB, so you can charge the battery with any handphone charger. It's very convenient. So this is the signal lamp, side mirror, wiper. Then I need to fix it by myself later on. Look like a real Land Rover. Here's the battery. Oh, the battery is over here. It's the battery. 7.4 volt, 1200 mAh. Look at the interior. It's very detailed. It's all-wheel drive. Oh, this is a drive shaft. Charge the battery first. Okay, it's about an hour, but the battery isn't fully charged yet, so I can't wait to test it. Okay, let's test it first. See, when I turn the signal, it's like it's not working. Will activate. 4-wheel drive. Can't wait to try it outdoor. Maybe I bring it to the beach and try it.